It's brother versus brother, San Francisco Bay! I bought in the suburbs less than an hour outside San Francisco, but the Bay Area market is so hot that I paid $520,000 for this fixer-upper, sight unseen, and I'm investing $370,000 in the renovation. I spent 35 grand on the living room challenge last week, and I came out on top. I want to stay on a roll by spending 70 grand on a winning kitchen. Jonathan won the kitchen challenge last year, so stakes are high for Team Drew. I just don't see how he can compete. I have a big space, a lot of features going in. That means a big sale price for this house. Yes! This is good. Good day's work here. We have to make this an unbelievable kitchen because I do not want to lose again. So let's make this kitchen unbeatable.
Winning beats losing every day.
I bought this fixer-upper for $420,000, and I have a full renovation budget of $460 grand. Last week, I spent $50,000 in a losing effort transforming the tiny little kitchen into an amazing eco-chic living room. I don't want to get robbed again, so I'm hoping $90,000 for the kitchen reno will get me into the win column.
Drew wants to beat me so bad in the kitchen space because he never beats me in the kitchen space.
He's got that huge kitchen. Mine was tiny and closed off, so I ripped it out, and I'm building a new, larger kitchen and dining area by taking over the old living room and bathroom. You know what? 2x4 drop. I'm winning this. As rough a job as this is, it's the right decision to make this part of the kitchen. Subtracting a bathroom is not usually a good strategy when you're trying to flip a house, but the smart play in this case is to use this space to make my kitchen larger. Then create an all-new, beautiful powder room at the front of the house. We just need to do a lot of work to connect the two spaces.
Yeah.
The old cabinets are gone, and since the previous owners were heavy smokers, we've got to ditch the old HVAC, starting with what's inside this bulkhead. I'm assuming that there's some sort of venting or something in here.
It's gotta be.
Yeah.
Let me check it out.
Yep.
There it is.
I want to maximize all the space we have, and I want to have open sight lines, but I have this big bump out right in the middle of the space.
Especially with the heavy smokers, you know the inside of that duct is just covered in nicotine.
You can't have a brand new house, and then as soon as you run the furnace, it smells like smoke. That means I'd have to replace all the ductwork in the house. A new HVAC system wasn't in the cards, but stale, smoky air, that's not going to get me top dollar when I go to sell. It's day one, and there's already a costly problem to take care of.
Look at that. The whole back of the house is dipping back.
It's bad. It's really bad. This will have to be priority number one. Why don't we get the engineer out here? He'll tell us what we need to do, but I guarantee you we're gonna have to probably reinforce the foundation wall all across the back, and that could be what derails our budget. Resupporting the entire back of this house, that's not good for the schedule or the budget, but it's finally done, and I've got to start adding value to this place to offset some of those costs. Framing in this new spacious powder room is a good start, and enlarging this window, even better.
One more of these and we're done.
You hear people always say, oh, it's got $1 million view. Well, this is the window that you want to have to showcase $1 million view. Drew's got like a $20 view, maybe 25 tops. I feel like I'm back in the saddle.
Things are looking great for Team Drew. There's a lot happening today. We're running the plumbing, and we're installing all new HVAC in this section of the house, so whoever buys it can breathe easy. So I'm gonna go and choose my countertops. Well, we got a lot to look at, I'm sure.
Well, maybe a marble, maybe something like this.
Marble's gorgeous, I love it, but it's also very expensive. I need to find savings. I mean, this is all quartz over here, right?
It's actually half the price.
These are 3 of your more popular quartz slabs?
Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much what people go for now. You get the looks without the cost.
I actually love the veining here because this can tie into the earth tones. It ties into the blues and grays throughout. I like this. We stumbled out of the gate with the foundation problem, but I am thrilled to say we're back on schedule.
Our plumbing and electrical are done. We're doing the spray foam insulation in the ceiling, so while my team's busy on the job site, I'm doing a little shopping. Hey, hey.
Hi.
I have a very specific vision for my kitchen. Love, love, love the mix of the wood and the white. I was thinking about doing bamboo, because it doesn't get much more sustainable than that. I know the judges are gonna love all the natural and sustainable touches in my kitchen, and this space is gonna attract a very sophisticated and eco-aware buyer. Oh, this is our bamboo.
Yeah.
I really
Right.
love the color.
Maybe you want to think about the darker colors too. Pop the tile, the countertop.
Seeing how the black just makes the bamboo look so slick, I think we gotta do the black.
Yeah.
Team Drew is checking a lot off the list. Plumbing's done. We saved some money on the electrical. Our bat insulation is installed. The spray foam is up in the vaulted ceiling, and we're ready for drywall today. Or at least I thought we were. Hey, when did this change? I thought we were just putting up our drywall. I didn't realize we were putting up some sheeting.
There was a lot of movement in this wall, and the city let us know that this indeed does need to be a shear wall.
California has a lot of seismic activity, so building codes here require a shear wall. That's a strong supporting wall that resists any movement. It's a big day because our window has been delivered and we're installing it to get that killer view that's gonna push this kitchen over the top. Did you measure twice? I hope it fits because I don't have time to order a new one. I got this here. I've got about ½ an inch.
3/16.
I'll take a little. Oh, too much. There,
Right there.
This is what makes a
Yeah.
place valuable. If you own a hilltop property, you want to see the view. I located the kitchen back here so that you could have this incredible view, and it's perfect. I'm glad we have a new foundation underneath us because we've got a lot of people in here building a lot of cabinets. Plus, the tiles being installed in the new powder room, we've gone from behind schedule to back on schedule to ahead of schedule. So I'm doing my happy dance. You walk in now, and it's a holy jaw drop moment. This is a kitchen. In a kitchen reno, getting the cabinets installed is a huge benchmark. We've got ours in, and they look fantastic. Also, our new wide plank flooring is being installed over top of brand new subfloor. This floor looks awesome, and it's 100% squeak-free. They're good.
You hear nothing? You hear nothing? See
Solid
nothing?
subfloors.
We were spending a lot of hours the other day, and there's not going to be one place in this kitchen that you will hear one squeak.
Would you say this looks like an award-winning kitchen?
If I had to guess, this is the winner right here.
This is good. I feel like we've worked through all the kinks and we're racing to the finish line. I won the last challenge and I'm spinning my California Modern Ranch vibe right through into my kitchen. The quartz countertops are being installed, the appliances are coming in, the backsplash tile is going up around the floating shelves, and everything in this kitchen looks incredible.
Here we go.
Nice.
Doesn't look like the same house.
Whoa, that's crazy.
This is
Whoa.
awesome. It looks like a brand new house. Before it looked like a shack.
What do you want to start with, the kitchen?
Sure.
Look, Steve, you got your microwave.
I really dig the flat black.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's nice.
very modern.
I love this big island. It's a good entertainment space for sure. It doesn't really look anything like the befores, which is pretty awesome.
Nice big window, an amazing view. It's really neutral, but then they brought color in where you can kind of change it.
This is Jonathan all over it.
You think? Look at this bar area. Morning coffee bar.
Cappuccino and a cocktail. Start your day here, finish your day here.
Yeah, what a good day, too. Whoa, Steve, there's your dream wall.
Is that real?
Seems pretty real.
I know.
This bathroom's awesome. Great graphic bathroom.
It's perfect.
And then nice eating area.
Nice little round table.
Feels good in here. Great job. Whoa. I know that we do this for a living, but this is not the same house.
No, it's not.
Talk about an after. Opened it all up. I'm totally in shock.
This is amazing.
Nice, huge island. And it's nice that the stove is on the island. Very pretty. This is also very modern.
Yeah.
So they took these old houses and made them really modern. Vaulted ceilings. Whoa, Steve, that was not.
Unexpected.
in here before. They do have some twinsies things, don't they?
It's like very close in style. It just makes it tricky to like pick out who's who. I love wood. I like these cabinets a lot. Oh, that's cool.
Cool lighting, modern, clean, simple. I like that. And then here's a nice big dining table.
Big table,
Yep.
seat 6. This is cool. I like this area over here, Leanne.
Yeah.
Little office.
This is an awesome solution to the half wall. I like that. Okay, great pantry.
They've got a lot of storage.
Very functional, very livable. They did a good job.
This is tough. I'm gonna have a hard time. I think I know which one I like better. Let's go hash it out.
Should we do some lists, pros, cons?
Scales of justice.
In our opinion, the winning kitchen is Hilltop.
I win this, I do. Yes. This is childhood dream. His kitchen's always beat me. My inner nerd, so happy. I thought I had this one.
You almost had it, I have
Oh my
to
God.
say.
What was the jump out feature? Because for me, I was like, the bark wall has to just.
We liked the bark wall, but we loved the bar area. It was very slick. And the black cabinets, they were pretty
sexy.
good. Because it was like a very well done, classic, modern kitchen.
This is the best win of all time, and there is nothing in the universe that would have had Drew beat me for this. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, I know exactly what this is.
Industrial Light and Magic's performance capture stage.
This is where the magic happens. R2. And he speaks too.
Of course.
Show me, give me the little.
Just look.
No way! Oh my gosh.
That is amazing.
Luke Skywalker's lightsaber from the film. Nobody gets to see this or do this, and I am blown away.
This is incredible. Pretty good prize, huh?
We thought it'd be more fun than cleaning the fountain.
Get right inside those wrinkles. You are dirty, Yoda. If this is the only challenge I win for the rest of my life, I am okay because this is amazing.